Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in boats and streams. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Friends, say boat speed in still water, say x kmph, and the velocity of the stream is given, friends, that is 3 kmph. Now the velocity, the speed of the boat. Now the speed of the boat in downstream is x plus 3 kmph, and the speed of the boat in upstream is x minus 3 kmph. Friends, now boat covered a certain distance in downstream in 4 hours, and the boat covered the same distance in upstream in 5 hours. So the distance traveled in downstream, in 4 hours. 4 into x plus 3. This is the distance traveled in downstream is equal to the distance traveled in upstream in 5 hours. So 4x plus 12 is equal to 5x minus 15. 5x minus 4x, x is equal to 27 kmph, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.